rock beat number 1, which is what we're talking about today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about rock beat number 1. I'm going to give you 4 steps to teach you how to play rock beat number 1. Rock beat number 1 is the first beat I teach my students when they come to see me at Mark C Drums. The reason why is because once you learn rock beat 1, it opens everything else up to you. Let me first start by telling you what parts of the drum set we're going to use. We're going to use the hi-hat to keep time, right? We're going to use the snare drum for the backbeat. We're going to use the bass drum on 1 and 3. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take 4 hi-hats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm going to slow it down. Beginners, we can go as slow as you need to. It's all good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to go slower than that, that's fine. The main objective here is not speed. It's to have fun. And it's also to get this right and to play this on time. So we're going to do it real slow. I'm going to even go slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. On hi-hat number 1, we're going to add a bass drum. We're going to do that at the same time as hi-hat number 1. 1. Again. 1. Hi-hat number 2 is just by itself. Hi-hat number 3 gets the snare drum added. So it's going to be the hi-hat and the snare drum on number 3. 3. Again. 3. Hi-hat number 4, just like number 2, by itself. All right, let's put these 4 pieces together and let's do a rock beat. 1, 2, ready, go. There it is. That's it. That's your rock beat. All right? 4 steps, 4 hi-hats, bass drum on number 1, snare drum on number 3. The other 2 are by themselves. That's it. I'm going to play it for you a little bit faster, a little bit longer, and then we're going to put it back to that piece of music I was playing before. Okay? I like to verbalize it to my students as bass, hat, snare, hat. Now when I say bass, it's understood that I mean bass drum hi-hat together. And then when I say hat, it's hi-hat by itself. When I say snare, it's understood that I mean snare drum hi-hat together. And then I say hat again, which means just the hi-hat by itself. So like this. Bass, hat, snare, hat. Bass, hat, snare, hat. Bass, hat, snare, hat. Bass, hat, snare, hat. Like that, okay? Now to play a little bit faster. This is going to be about the tempo of Back in Black by AC/DC. So there's an example of rock beat number 1, played to Back in Black by AC/DC. AC/DC, by the way, if you want to practice rock beat number 1, that's your band. It's good stuff, man. I grew up listening to AC/DC, one of my favorite bands of all time. But if you're working on rock beat number 1, that's the band to do it with. So go ahead, have fun. That's the number 1 priority. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.